Scenario: some states allow triple tow towing, where a truck can be hooked to a motorhome that is connecting and pulling a boat. On a weekend trip, when the truck is towing, the motorhome got its wheel stuck on a huge rocket in the middle of the road. The question: I want you to draw a label and identify just the horizontal forces on the motorhome, which is in the middle of the truck and the boat that has the rock stuck underneath it, right here. Let's look at the answer. We're going to treat the motorhome as a single dot at its center of mass. We know that there's a force going towards the right. This is going to be the force of the truck that is pulling it towards the right. So I call it F of truck. That can also be tension if you would like. There's also a force going towards the left, which is in purple. This is the force of the rock. That is the rock pushing against the wheel. Then there's another force that goes towards the left as well. That is the friction force that has caused it being on the surface of the road. And there is one more. There is the boat that is pulling against it, which can also be seen as the force tension from the boat that is pushing against the motorhome. There's one more. If it was moving, it would be drag or air resistance, but the truck isn't moving right now because the rock is stuck under it. Notice that the arrows left, if you add all the lengths together, it should be equal to the length of the red arrow. It shows that this object here is in equilibrium. It's stuck. All right? There you go.